Do you have those moments where you're running out the door to somebody's house and you don't want to show up empty-handed and it would be really useful to have something in hand? Well, the fifth bottle of wine that I always keep in stock is a gift bottle so that I'm always prepared with something to take. Now, some of you have told me that you get a little nervous about what wines to take to somebody's house, so I'm going to help you with that. Remember, I'm here for you for things like that. I'm my friend's wine pal that they ask all of their nervous wine and hosting questions, and you guys can do that too, and I'll be here with a video every Thursday for you. Now on to the basics. I'm going to tell you how much to spend on a gift bottle of wine. I'm going to tell you some of the types of wine that you can buy, and I'll also, as a bonus, tell you how to make it really memorable and thoughtful for the people who are hosting you. First, I usually spend about $15 on a bottle of wine. For $15 nowadays, you can get a really high quality bottle of wine because winemaking techniques have gotten to be so good. And you can increase the value of that $15 if you choose a wine from certain regions or grape varieties, which leads me to my second point of which wines to take. I usually try to find some region that has a high quality to price ratio to it. Wines that are from Portugal, Austria, Chile, Spain, these are all regions that have pretty high quality ratios to them. And I usually take a bottle of red wine because for some reason people think that red wines are fancier or higher quality. If you find something you like, buy more of them. Most stores will give you a discount if you buy at least 6 or 12 bottles at a time, and then you'll be set for your barbecue, grilling, party season needs. Yeah. As a bonus, you can not only take a great bottle of wine to your friends, but you can also make it memorable for them too. I'm going to share a little tip with you. What I do is I buy some ribbon online that I just have customized with my name, and then I take the ribbon, tie it onto the neck of the bottle. It's festive and they know who brought it. After all, with my tips, you're going to be known as somebody who knows great wine, who is thoughtful, and your friends are going to want to know which bottle of wine you brought. If you want to know what to do with wines that people brought to your house, you can watch my video on that. And honestly, guys, I have so many wine tips that I would love to share with you, but I want to know what you want to hear. I want to know what would be helpful for you. So will you let me know that in the comments, and I will make more videos for you. Cheers.